especially as moms, we not only have our businesses, we have our children, we probably have our partners to take care of too. We have households to take care of. If we have team members in our businesses, we have that too. So we can't expect ourselves to do all of that, right? So the more simple and more streamlined our businesses can be, that's something that we have full control over, right? So if, say, for example, our kids get sick and we have to take time off, our businesses are super streamlined. It doesn't require us to work a lot of time anyway, right? So then we can just reallocate our time. And I say that from experience because I have been very sick the past 2 weeks and I haven't been able to work the past 2 weeks, but my business was still running on its own because I set those systems up, because I made it really simple, right? So that would be my biggest piece of feedback first. And then after that, it's really looking at what what's on that to-do list, because a lot of the time the things that are on that to-do list are not things that we even need to be doing, right? They're things we think we need to be doing, and they're things that we convince ourselves that we need to be doing, and if we don't do it, then the whole world is going to collapse. But I guarantee you, if your house was on fire right now, do you think you need to complete that entire to-do list?
Mm.
Exactly. So it's all about really understanding what we need to be focusing on. And of course, this is different for every person, right? And then allocating our time to those things. And then we can also outsource and delegate things in our life and businesses that we don't need to be the ones personally doing, right?